Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's video, I am going to discuss TCS NQT May 2021 syllabus. So I'll be discussing about cognitive skill test, subject NQT, okay, and then psychometric test, then industry NQT, basic programming skills. So everything we will be discussing, so you will get a fair idea of how you should start your preparation and what all things are important here. Okay, so friends, the first round for everyone will be cognitive skill test. So everyone, either from, if you are from mechanical, civil, electrical, any, irrespective of any stream, the first round for you will be cognitive skill test, where you will be getting verbal ability questions, reasoning ability questions, and numerical ability questions. You can see the number of questions from verbal ability will be 24, and the time allocated will be 30 minutes. Reasoning ability will have 30 questions and then 50 minutes. Numerical ability 26 questions and 40 minutes. Friends, so in detail, I have also covered your reasoning, numerical ability, and all other topics syllabus. So you can see, so aptitude, we have completely covered what all topics are important. Okay, fine. Now friends, then we will have also subject NQT, where you'll have programming logic and coding. So friends, most of the students are still asking, sir, I should apply for subject NQT, industry NQT or not? So friends, if you are good at programming and if you are prepared well, definitely you should go for it, because so all software companies needs programming. See, in a software company, we have only programming, nothing else, right? So we have either you have to develop the code or you have to test the code, right? So friends, we have either development or testing, but everywhere, without coding, without programming knowledge, there is no software company. So I will suggest everyone to please prepare and then write. If you are from mechanical, electrical, civil, start now, because the world is completely moving towards technologies, towards codes, right? Okay, then friends, so TCS NQT May 2021 syllabus. So we have numerical ability syllabus, reasoning ability syllabus, psychometric test, industry NQT, and subject NQT. So friends, aptitude, we have around 25 topics. So definitely friends, all the topics we cannot go through that, right? So see, topics like simplification, percentage, number system, average, ratio, proportion, partnership, data interpretation, profit loss, CFLCM, time and work, pipe systems, unit digit, remainder theorem, logarithms, simple and compound interest, time and distance, time and work, okay, problems and trains, boats and streams, permutation combination, probability, mixture allegation, mensuration, statistics, game based is not there for you, and then problems on edges. So these are the topics which you should definitely go for that. And friends, you know very well, so for TCS, statistics is very important. Okay, so this is a very important topic. So last year 4 to 5 questions were asked from statistics itself, either in the March or Feb, or the exams which happened last year in October. Okay, then friends, reasoning, if you'll see, so we have figure based problem. So you'll have problems like so, right? And then they will ask what will be the next. Okay, so they will give some pattern. So you can say figure pattern based problems, direction, blood relation, syllogism, statement, assumption, conclusion, that is called as critical reasoning, number series, odd man out, analogies, alphabetical series, order ranking, and sitting arrangement. So friends, these are the topic which will be asked in reasoning and aptitude. Now friends, definitely the important topics from where the questions will be more, that we will be doing first, and then the non-important topics that we will be doing at the end, right? Because you need to score more and more. And friends, one more thing I wanted to tell you. So cognitive, I have seen, okay, so cognitive skills, I have seen, if you have scored more than 80% on, or more than, equal to, or more than 80%, then only there is a chance of you getting call from the companies. Friends, so this March exam, right, was a special edition, and after that we have exam in May. So TCS is also charging for all the examination. So definitely friends, good companies are tied up with TCS now. So friends, if you are scoring a good marks, then definitely you are eligible for getting calls from even TCS also. So TCS will be also hiring this time according to your scores. Okay, so with your scores you will be able to apply. So TCS and the partnered company of the TCS will be hiring with their scores. So cognitive, you have to prepare very well. So you should and must be able to score more than 80%. So less than 60% or 70%, there is a very less chance you'll be getting a call. Okay, so this data I have taken from the student, those who have got selected in TCS, and they all had a scored more than 80%. Okay, so friends, please have a target of a scoring more than 80% in cognitive, and definitely I'm there to help you in all those things, right? So, and friends, if you'll see our interview experiences, so if you'll go through our interview experiences, so many times the student has told, so reasoning is a topic from where you will be able to score more. So reasoning is easy, so from here you can score more, and then from aptitude and English you can combinedly score altogether 80%. Okay, so focus more on reasoning, and definitely that all those things I will be teaching you in my class. So friends, live aptitude, okay, so this is aptitude, means live aptitude and reasoning class, which is gonna start from 9th of April. And friends, this will be helpful for all the examiners. It's not only for TCS, but it is very much sure that we will be putting more focus on TCS NQT examination. So we will be solving the previous year problem, we will be solving more questions on reasoning, we will be solving the more questions from aptitude, right? Which is important topics, right? So live aptitude TCS NQT 2021 classes, which is going to start from 9th of April and it will end on 30th of April, right? Okay, same thing friends, even we have started the coding crash course for coding also. So, and which this will also cover friends your industry NQT and subject NQT. Okay, so both we will be covering it, and this is a 21 days course. And friends, this course is by your favorite ma'am, Soumya ma'am, right? So Soumya ma'am will be taking this live classes. Okay, and friends, we will talk about the feature. So timing of the class will be 7 to 8 p.m. for coding, and timing of the aptitude class will be 9:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Okay, 9:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. So friends, there are very limited seats are there, so we are only gonna take 99 students because we cannot accommodate more. So the link will be given in the description, and definitely go for it. I will be also discussing the features of this course. Okay, but before that friends, we will see so psychometric test. So friend, psychometric test you will be getting around 105 questions. So 60 questions will be from your behavioral test, and 45 questions will be from your motivational test. Okay friends, psychometric test is, it will definitely for your, like, how mentally strong you are, okay, how mentally fit you are. Okay, so how fast you respond to the situations, how how you can get mingled into the team. Okay, so friends, even we have made the video on psychometric test, so the link will be also given in the description. Okay, you can have a look at that. So friends, a few of the examples questions I will tell you. So if I am fine, so the questions will be, if you are fine doing multitasking, I mean you can do multiple things at one time, if you involve others in completion of any project, if you are friendly with others, if you are happy when your friends accomplish you for your success, so if you are abide by the rules. So the options were something like very untrue to me, somewhat untrue to me. So this will going to reflect your personality. So, and all of the companies, right, so major companies like Capgemini, TCS, so now they wanted this personality test, okay, to understand what kind of person you are. Okay, then friends, so then we have industry NQT. So industry NQT, so when these are the some sample questions, and we did not get the options because this was happening offline, so offline it's very difficult, so I have just taken by some few of the options by ourselves. Okay, so which app was installed more in 2020? So industry NQT is a, you'll be getting a general idea, like what is happening around you. So like which app was installed more in 2020, what is the full form of BPM, the cabinet minister of electronics and information technology, right? So the union budget related to your IT industry, right? So this kind of questions. So industry IT means you will be knowing about the with whatever is the reforms are happening with information technology in the industry, right? Okay, so that kind of questions you'll be getting. And basic programming skills, friends. So if you're from civil, mechanical, electrical, and not very good at coding and not prepared at all, so at least go for basic programming skills, because see here you'll be getting questions from MS Word, shortcut keys like what does Control plus A does, so that kind of question. MS Excel, so how to find some of the many cells, full form of TCP/IP. CPU is the brain or the heart of the computer. So these kind of questions, basic programming skills means very basic computer knowledge you should be having, right? So operating system. So what is the operating system? Okay. So name some operating system or find which is the operating system. So they will give Windows, right? And they will give some four options. So you need to select the operating system, right? So like these questions you'll be getting from basic programming skills. Okay. And friends, we will talk about the subject NQT where SDLC is also offered. Now friends, the feature for both the courses, so for coding crash course and aptitude crash course, friends, do not think about the price. This price is very much nominal. So people are charging 2,000 3,000 rupees, and that too not giving the correct information, right? So features will be the recordings will be available. Okay. So the recordings will be available, and that recordings will be available for 3 months. Okay. Then friends, the second feature is, so you will be able to access on app as well as on web. So it is not like you will be able to access the live classes only on app. See, the recorded classes is restricted to app, but the live classes you will be also able to access on web. Friends, live doubt clearing session will be there. Okay. So live doubt clearing session will be there, and then test series will be conducted. So we will also conduct test series for you, and that will be completely free. That will come under this 199 rupees. And friends, definitely, so whatever doubts you have, and TCS previous year questions we will be solving. Friends, this is very much required actually, because you will be getting the confidence, and if you get the confidence that you can do it, so the TCS previous year questions will definitely bring a lot of confidence in you, right? So friends, join both the classes. So one is from 7 to 8 p.m. and one is from 9:30 to 10:30 p.m. and just practice. That's enough to crack the examination. So friends, then we have subject NQT. Subject NQT also covers SDLC. So friends, we have also covered the videos on SDLC. Okay. And even our test series also, we have questions from the SDLC. Okay. So friends, you can see one example. So the coding questions, and this is already I have done on our YouTube channel as well. And I will be also putting the link of all these videos which have been already available on our channel to give you more boost. Okay. So friends, these are the all about the syllabus. So friends, I will suggest everyone to please choose the NQT paid variants according to your knowledge, according to your skills. So get prepared. Still you have 1 month of time, and then do so. Friends, all this aptitude and coding classes will be done from the basic with all this feature. Thank you, friends.